I found myself feeling lost. I did network marketing, created my own online store, and some content on AI. Like I was facing previously without a clear goal, purpose. When I read the book and discovered the concept of Ikigai, and it completely changed my perspective, point of view. Hello everyone, welcome back to Actual Sing channel. Today, I want to talk about something really special, Ikigai. And if you people don't know what Ikigai is, then listen. It is a Japanese concept referring to something that gives a person a sense of purpose. Means a reason for living, like how to find goal, interest, like that. So watch this video till the end. Otherwise, you will miss life changing points. Let me start with a little story. A few months ago, I found myself feeling lost. I was going through the motion of daily life, but I didn't feel fulfilled. I did network marketing, created my own online store, and some content on AI, but it didn't make me happy. Have you ever felt that way? Like I was facing previously without a clear goal, purpose. Do you know? When I read the book and discovered the concept of Ikigai, and it completely changed my perspective, point of view. Now, I request everyone to take notes about these four pillars of Ikigai, which will help you to find a fulfilling and meaningful life. Pillar number one, what you love. These are the things that make you happy. For example, if you love painting, it brings you joy and makes you feel good. Pillar number two, what you are good at. These are your skills and talents. For instance, if you are good at fixing a problem issues of the computer, it means you are solving the problem through your talent. Pillar number 3, what the world needs. This is how you can help others. For example, if people need someone to teach them how to use a computer, and you can do that, then you are solving the problem here. So, this is the pillar number 3. And now let's dive into the last but not least, pillar number 4, what you can be paid for. This is the work that earns you money. For instance, if you can get a job as a computer technician, you are getting paid for your skill. So it means that with the help of your skill, you are solving the problem of the consumer, customer, whatever. So if you love painting, are good at it, people need art, and you can sell your paintings. You have found your ikigai. It's about finding a balance between what you enjoy, what you are good at, what helps other, and what you can be paid for. You know, one of the key lesson from ikigai is to start your day with purpose, because it's crucial. If we don't have purpose in our life, then our success rate, according to me, is low. So that's why purpose is crucial. But let's be real, it can be tough to get out of bed sometimes. That's why I want to share something that's really helped me, the analog alarm clock. Yes, you heard right. It's loud enough to make sure you wake up no matter how deep you are sleeping. And the best part, it's super affordable, under 200 to 300 rupees, in INR, Indian rupees I'm talking about. So if you people are interested, then what you are waiting for? Buy now, link in the description. Now let's dive more deeper into these four pillars of Ikigai. Number 1, passion. What you love. Think about what makes you happy. These are things you enjoy a lot. For example, you might love painting. Recently, I gave the example of painting as well, cooking, or playing music. When you do this kind of stuff, things, you feel very good, very happy. So it means that this is your passion. Number 2, which is mission. What the world needs. This is about doing something good for others. When your work helps people, it gives you a reason to wake up every day. Number 3, calling. How you can help others. This is about finding ways to help people. It could be volunteering, teaching, or starting a community project. For example, if kids in your area need help with school, you can help them with their homework. Helping others makes you feel happy. Number 4, profession. What you can be paid for. This is about earning money by doing what you love. Your ikigai should help you live without money problems. For example, if you love cooking and are good at it, you can become a chef or start a small food business. This way, you make money doing what you love. So, this is your profession. Finding your ikigai. Think about it. Take some time to think about these things and ask these questions which I am going to share to you, because if you will not ask these questions, then it is difficult to clear your why. Like when you was playing the football, are you feeling good, or are you like excited if someone will tell you that Mohan, we have to go to play football next morning? Then if you have that much eager, yeah, I can go. So like this you have to solve these queries which I am going to introduce. So first question is, what makes me happy? Second, what do I care about? Third, what do people need? Fourth, which is last, what am I good at? Now let's dive into the practical tips. Write down your thoughts, talk to friends or family, or try new activities. You might find something new what you love. And thinking of buying this life changing book named Ikigai, then what you people are waiting for? Buy now, link in the description. Remember, finding your Ikigai is a journey, not a destination. It's about continuous explorations and self discovery. Be patient with yourself. At last, I encourage you to start your own Ikigai journey today, because tomorrow never comes. Reflect on these ideas and share your experience in the comment below. Let's support each other for more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like plus subscribe for more content. See you next time. For now, take care. Bye bye.